Watch out now. You're getting close to the track. Take the door marked for races only. Hey, Genius, make sure you check out the layout of the track before you dive right in. You can't bring any hardware to the race. Dump them into that bin, and you can pick them up later. Now listen up, dude. Like your fucking life depends on it. A lot of squirrel riding on this baby 50 large. The red scooter has got to win. You bet your dead mother's life on what I'm saying. The fucking red scooter wins. Do whatever it takes. No fucking excuses, dude. A little blood never hurt anyone.
Oh no! Oh dear! Oh my heavens! Just look at this mess! I can't even see my beautiful new paint job! Scooter boys, bring me a new scooter! I refuse to ride in a vehicle when its sparkling new finish is wholly concealed under this ghastly bloody mess.
Don't forget, moron, the fucking red scooter wins!
3, 2, 1... Go! Blue Racers leading the pack.
Watch out now. You're getting close to the track. Take the door marked for races only. Hey, Genius, make sure you check out the layout of the track before you dive right in. You can't bring any hardware to the race. Dump them into that bin, and you can pick them up. Now listen up.
3, 2, 1, go! Are my eyes fooling me, or has the Red Racer taken the lead? Blue Racer has taken first. What a race! The green scooter enjoys sweet victory!
It was a setup! Those bastards cost me $50. That rat fink they put in the race is gonna pay. Cover the exits. That racer's gonna find himself racing to the bottom of a river in a pair of cement boots.
You stupid fucking jerk-off. Dude, you fucked up big time. Grab your shit and get ready, because now you're gonna take the long way out of here.
Kill you!
Take him out.
Sissy. Think I'm scared of that? That could stop me?
I could use some more holes. A little pick-me-up. Better already. What a shame.
Breathing, dude? The family's pleased with your work today. A real gabagool out of 10. Now I need you to tie up some loose ends. When you're done fucking around today, get your pussy ass over to the Yerk. We'll take care of business then. I'll make sure you get what's coming to you.
Swell. Cowabunga. Coming your way. Damn, I'm good. There it is. Now this is a knife.
We have never been accused of being flashy, fancy, or cool. Hey, seriously, we named ourselves Booking.com. It's kind of...
Fresh from the tap.
Listen up, everybody out there trying to find
1973 in Hell House. They get the state of Texas. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre has not stopped. It haunts Texas. It seems to have no end.